Hi, welcome to my channel. This channel is against the current view of astronomy, like the universe. My name was, it used to be like Gheorghiu Mircea, but it's the Romanian name, so I change it with the universe GM. Okay, so in each video I cut on these topics on science. Okay, I'm telling you that these are simply clouds, the stars in our galaxy, the only galaxy, real galaxy, a sphere. Okay, and we cannot see the universe. But in this video about artificial intelligence, okay, this guy interviewed by Brian Greene, this guy.
It's not so good for math, physics, that kind of stuff. And there's no planning, obviously, because the system just produces one word after the other without really thinking in advance what it's going to say. So of course, it has some representation of the previous words, so it's consistent, but it doesn't plan its answer. It's really reactive. It's sort of like, there was this whole movement in poetry called automatic writing, right? Where you just you don't think about what you write, you just write one word after the other. That's basically what's happening there.
Right.
So those things are very limited. You could think of them as a model of a piece of the brain, but that piece of the brain would be the Wernicke area and the Broca area, which are like tiny little pieces of the brain like this, on this side, that manipulate language. But what about the rest?
So is this fuss about can you do the artificial intelligence? So nowadays see some programs and electronics and some function between some pieces and some display, and you touch a button and push it, and now renouncing out any philosophy or what does the thinking process of man or the heart of things like this, they already they are being menaced by the artificial intelligence. Like, okay, I have the computer here and I explain to you, the computer displays you pictures, okay, so you cannot make with the computer any artificial intelligence. You see, you have this like in an old video type player. So you have a video cassette and you put light through it and you project it in a TV. So now you can project at a cinema, okay, a movie on a paper, on a wall, or something. But now you can take 3-4 cassettes and project many pictures. So now you take 3-4-5 movies and you project it on all at once. And now this is the computer, and now you have the ability to press on which movie. You project many video cassettes on a wall, and now you have a button and you touch it. This one, and when you touch it, the what you are touching comes on the main display. So this is the computer. So can you make with this artificial intelligence? So you cannot make artificial intelligence. So another part from this yabbering, okay, I'm telling you, you can go to the stars, but I take on all the I discovered all the science is wrong somehow, and chemistry, I take on even all this. So another part from Brian Greene.
And you claim that a similar kind of training procedure is relevant to the division for artificial intelligence that you imagine, where you have an actual world model and you're actually planning regarding the actions that you're going to undertake.
Right. So the big question now is, how do you train a system to have a world model?
You see my desktop to explain to you that you are doing wrong stuff. You cannot make artificial intelligence with the computer. The computer is a phone, like a you dial a number and it identifies the number, you see. And I will show you that the computer only shows to you stacks of pictures. Always, you see, it's a musical program and it's a stack of picture, and you are wondering and dazzled that you can press here and displays you a picture, and on a picture are written buttons, you see, like a stack of pictures, and the mouse you control it in a square, and when you click insert energy, stack of pictures, see, as a musical, you can make music with this, the plugin. And I have here like 400 instruments, 400 But always when you put it displays your picture, you have a store the picture with sound like this, and you pass current through the picture and displays it to you, you see, on the notes. But it's pictures always, sound pictures and pictures with pictures. A Brian Green interview with that guy. This is the way I made the videos. So what it is, computer also. You see an old telephone in 60s even, they identify your number, they copy it and send it to the address because you dialed, okay? It was some old ladies that to pull the plug on you, you tell them, make me the connection with that direction, okay? And they with that states, and they knew what the channel it is and to send you the number, okay? So you have a number with the energy representing in letters 1, 2, 3, like this, old telephone with all maybe Brian Green knows, okay? And you have a packet of numbers 7, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 9, 9, 9, like the old number, and you send them, and exists a piece like this, a processor, and identifies the number, copies it, and send it to the address. And now what Gates did, and old time Gates took the mouse from the Xerox, okay, and they discovered how to superimpose two pictures. And one of it is the mouse in a screen, and this is a finger also, and you eject with the mouse in a screen on one picture and jumps there, like this is a button, okay? And in this are copper needles, you see, like in a processor, and in a main displays you pictures. And now you have some addresses, like look this kind. This is Windows WinSS, you see, one of the locations, always pictures. You see a frame with pictures, a frame with other pictures. You have this ability to press on them, to display them. And this is how it is doing this. You have here, you see, 32,000 folders, you see, 32,000 folders, and there are few places in Windows WinSS, in Windows 64,000 folders, and with letters from the old telephone, you see, you put them in order like this with codes, and you with letters in alphabetical order. Look, A, B, C. You realize that the alphabet it is ending and it begins again. You see, and with numbers, you see, because he must cover all the folders that you can make, and all the folders that you can make in your cannot surpass 32,000. It has another places, it's 64,000 folders, and when you write a name, identifies some of the letters and send him like a hook, like you put your boat with this is like the bottom of the okay. So it is not calculating or computing, they already make the ciphers, okay. 32,000 folders, A, B, C, D, you see, and with numbers, codes, okay. So it is not calculating or computing the computer. So from Windows there are few places like this. If you watch that, you have some addresses like that, many folders, okay, and the computer does in the small, is more like a operator of the power, central of the phone in the 60s did. So you do not put the plug on that direction. They invented you send a number, it copies, so knows the light copies the number, the light is the electron, I'm telling you. So the light copies the number like Xerox and identifies and send it there. So now they make these folders, many folders with codes, many 32,000, you saw that they act like some numbers, and now you make a picture, you write on it, and you put a name, the name becomes a code, and it goes like a hook there in there to be hooked there to be. So now you do not dial at the distance, you dial inside your phone, make okay, and you have some pictures may represent it with a light, and they have some storing capacity you pull on it. Okay, I'll show you in the end of this video another programs to understand that all the programs have stack of pictures like this, and you put many like this, and you put one in a mainframe. I have all the computer here. The computer is not calculated, is not computing, it's a wrong name, okay? And the philosophy comparing the mind with the computer is wrong. So you cannot do the artificial intelligence in this way. But there's ways to trick the public. Okay, I only wanted to say that this as a small start, we can go here. Okay, this is a small start, close start. Okay, but I took on all the science on wrong science on nowadays. So you cannot make in this manner. So this shows to you that you do not know what a computer is, but you talk like like to be heard. Okay. Like to okay goodbye. See my the last at the end now another programs like word programs. You see there is a stack of pictures. Okay, goodbye. I have here the most powerful program ever made with like word program. I'll always showing to you pictures. You see, you display them on your screen like you project, and when you have these buttons, like you press here picture, you press here a set of pictures, you press here a set of pictures displayed on a geometrical manner on a wall. You press here buttons and pictures, you see. Everywhere I press here a picture. This is a picture, this is a picture, and this is a picture, and this is a picture, and this is a displays you pictures, and all these instructions are pictures. Even the color, if you made some color, you have you see pictures with color, the light goes through it like in a glass and projects you, becomes when it goes through a colored glass like this, have store pictures with colors. So you are dazzled by this, that you have buttons and pictures, a stack of pictures.